Gumagawa ka na ng research. Ngayon, hindi mo alam kung anong klaseng research ang gagawin mo. Kung qualitative ba siya or quantitative ba siya. Ang paggawa ng research, i-base mo siya depende sa types niya. Meron tayong two types of research based on the data being collected. Okay? Take note of this. The types of research according to the data being collected. Qualitative or quantitative. Next, punta tayo dun sa purpose. Sa purpose of research, alam mo na ba kung anong klaseng research ang ginagawa mo based on the purpose? And lastly, of course, we have the procedure. What type of research we are going to create when we are referring to its procedure. Hello everyone! Welcome to my third lesson about research. Hopefully, napanood nyo po yung first, which is the meaning of research and inquiry, then the nature of research and inquiry. But, focus only on its ethics. Ano ba yung bawal tsaka hindi bawal gawin sa research. And this one, okay, the third lesson, which is about types of research according to data being collected, according to procedure, and according to its purpose. So, hopefully, nasundan nyo po yung buong lesson ko para magkakaintindihan po tayo dito. Take note of this. This on the topic, the nature of research and inquiry. So, katulad ng sinabi ko doon sa second lesson ko, pag sinabi natin nature of research and inquiry, medyo broad yung topic na yan. So, meron tayong 7, right? Naalala pa rin ba? Okay, ito po sila. So, tapos na tayo dito sa ethics. Dito naman tayo sa types of research according to data being collected, to procedure, and to purpose. Dahil tapos na tayo doon sa mga do's and don'ts sa paggawa ng researcher, ano yung mga bawal at hindi bawal, ito naman tayo sa types of research. So, paano mo malalaman na quantitative or qualitative ang ginagawa mong research according sa data na ginather mo? Okay? So, what is quantitative and qualitative according to the data being collected? So, in quantitative, it involves the measuring data such as traits, characteristics, or attributes of things. It also represents research findings referring to the number or frequency of something in numerical forms. That is, using percentages, fractions, and numbers. So, in short, kapag nag-gather ka ng data, ano ba yung gather? Ano ba yung data? So, ang data na tinutukoy dito is what? Yung mga information na kailangan mong kunin para malaman mo yung result ng study mo. Yun yung data. Okay? Now, kumuha ka ng data, tapos na-interpret mo na siya. Halimbawa, sa pag-interpret mo, gumamit ka ng numbers. You used fractions, you also used percentages. Automatically, that is what? That is considered as quantitative. Next, it also involves measuring data. Pag sinabi na measuring data, ibig sabihin yung kayang i-measure. Ano ba yung mga example nun? Yun yung mga traits, mga characteristics, or attributes. Na kaya bang i-measure yung traits? Yes, kaya natin yan. So, magagawan yan doon sa questionnaire mo, and then gagamitan mo ng formula na angkop doon sa study mo. So, in short, quantitative is what? Very objective. Sinabi nating objective, ibig sabihin, fair yung result ng study. Now, proceed tayo sa qualitative. When we are talking about qualitative, it involves the meanings, the concepts, the definitions, the characteristics of something, metaphors, symbols, and description of things. So, tandaan natin, huwag kayong makonfuse dito. Bakit po merong characteristics doon kay quantitative at the same time, meron din pong characteristics dito sa qualitative? Ang pag-interpret ng result dito sa qualitative is based only on the opinion of you or someone. Wala siyang numerical data na basis. Okay? Next, requires non-numerical data, which means the use of words rather than numbers to express the results. The inquiry or investigations about people's thoughts, beliefs, feelings, views, and lifestyle regarding the objective of the study. So, in short, what? Okay, pag mag-gather ka ng data dito, sa qualitative, hindi ka gumagamit ng numbers to interpret the result of the study. Ano lang siya? Gather ka lang, nag-collect ka lang. After nun, done. Mostly, saan siya galing? Sa opinion ng ibang tao, sa views nila, or di kaya sa mga ideas nila. Okay, next. Answers are not measurable, so verbal language is used to express findings. So, dahil hindi measurable yung mga sagot, at very subjective, well then, under siya saan? Sa qualitative. Pag sinabi natin qualitative, opposite siya ni quantitative. So, kung si quantitative is very objective, kasi meron talagang frequency of number na ginagamit to find out the result of the study, then, si qualitative is very subjective. So, subjective meaning lahat ng data na nag-gather mo doon is mostly from opinions, views, beliefs, lifestyle of someone. So, in qualitative, the study is what? Interpreted using verbal language. Ulitin natin. Si quantitative, objective siya. Bakit siya naging objective? Kasi we used numbers to interpret the result of the study. Meron siyang frequency na ginagamit. On the other hand, si qualitative, okay, we used verbal language to interpret the data or the result of the data being collected. Si quantitative, measurable. Si qualitative, non-measurable. Quantitative, numerical. Si qualitative, non-numerical sa data. Okay? Now, proceed tayo sa according to purpose of the study. What are the types of research according to its purpose? Sa purpose tayo ha. Okay, number 1, we have the basic or pure research. It's concerned with generating new knowledge. So, pag sinabi natin basic or pure research, it generates new knowledge. Kumbaga, bagong kaalaman. Automatic saan yan? Basic or pure research yan. Okay, number 2, applied research. Concerned with improving a product or process, testing theoretical concepts in actual problem situation. So, it improves the process of something. At the same time, it tests the theoretical concepts in an actual problem. So, di ba kapag gumagawa tayo ng research, may problem talaga. So, gusto mong i-test gaano ba ka-effective yung theories ng ganito. Or may kailangan pa ba siyang i-improve doon. Yun yung applied research. Next, third, action research. Focused on the immediate application, focuses on ongoing practice of a school, organization, community, or institutions for the purpose of obtaining results that will bring improvements in the system. So, action research, commonly, ginagamit siya nino ng mga estudyante na gustong malaman or gustong ma-improve yung mga program na na-implement sa school kung gaano ba siya ka-effective. Okay, halimbawa gusto mong malaman kung effective ba yung pag-implement ng photography club sa school ng ganito. Gusto mong ma-test kung may kailangan pa bang, okay na ba, or may kailangan pa bang baguhin doon sa rules and regulations, or hindi naman kaya doon sa program na ginawa para doon specifically sa club na yon, or wala na. So, doon mo matetest kung effective ba yung program na yon, or hindi naman kaya may kailangan pang i-improve. Now, anong types of research yan based doon sa purpose mo? Kasi ang purpose mo is yun. That is, when we are talking about organization, when we are talking about program, when we are talking about institution, when we are talking about the system in the schools, well then, that is called action research. Okay? Fourth, descriptive research. It aims at defining or giving a verbal portrayal or picture of a person, thing, event, group, situation, and etc. So, pag sinabi natin descriptive research, you are just merely what? Yung intention mo is to describe the characteristics of something. You want to describe the situation. You want to describe an event. You want to describe a specific group. You want to describe a person. Okay? That is what we call descriptive research. Bawa sa study mo, gusto mong i-describe yung characteristic ni math teacher based doon sa pagtuturo niya ng math subject. Okay? So, ano bang characteristics ni teacher or behavior ni teacher? So, that is descriptive. Okay? Next, correlational research. Shows relationships or connectedness of two factors, circumstances, or agents called variables that affect the research. So, correlational. In short, the relationships of or connectedness of two factors, circumstances, or agents called the variables that affect the research. Ano ba ang relationship ni ganito at ni ganyan? That is correlational study. Again, circumstances, factors, agents called variables that affect the research. Yung agents na yan, that is the variables that affects the research. What is their relationship? So, that is correlational study. Okay? Next, exploratory research. Exploratory research finds out how reasonable or possible it is to conduct a research study on a certain topic. So, kung ang purpose mo sa study is to find out how reasonable or possible it is to conduct a research study on a certain topic. So, gaano ba kaimportante na kailangan pag-aralan yung ganitong topic na to? So, nag-e-explore ka. Okay? That is what we call exploratory research. Tandaan natin ha, huwag kayong malilito dito sa pinagsasabi ko na basic or pure research, applied research, action research, descriptive research, correlational research, and lastly, the exploratory research. Huwag kayong malilito kasi tandaan lang natin na nakafocus to saan? Sa purpose of the study. Kailangan, pag gagawa ka ng study, you should know first what is your purpose, why you are doing such research. Kapag alam mo yung purpose niyan, then madali na lang sa yung i-identify kung asan dito sa 6 na yon yung study mo. Saan siya na-belong? Based doon sa types of research according to purpose. Again, ulitin ko. Bakit pa ulit-ulit ako para malaman ninyo? Itong 6 na to, naka-base lang yan saan? Types of research based on its purpose. So, kailangan alam mo yung purpose of the study. Ano ba ang intention mo? Bakit mo ginawa yung study? Then after mo na ma-identify yung purpose mo, dito mo na malalaman kung saan siya under. Yung 6 na yan, that is the types of research according to purpose. So, tandaan natin yung purpose ng research mo. Pag hindi mo alam yan, girl, hindi mo malalaman kung anong klaseng research ang ginagawa mo based doon sa purpose ng study mo. Okay? Next. proceed tayo. According to procedure. So, when we are referring to procedure, we have three. We have historical research, descriptive research, and experimental research. Ulitin ko ha, procedure tayo. Kung kanina, ang una natin din-discuss is the data being collected and then the purpose. Punta tayo sa types of research according to procedure. 1. Historical research. What is historical research? From its word, of course, historical. So, it describes what was. It describes what was. So, sa past na siya. Yung procedure ng paggawa mo ng research is what naka-refer doon sa nangyari na. Okay? Tindihan. Yung procedure tayo ha. Yung procedure ng paggawa mo ng research is naka-base doon sa nangyari na before. That is what we call historical research. Okay. Next, descriptive research describes what is. Okay, this one is you are describing what is. Okay, next, procedure. Experimental research. So, describes what will be. Kung mostly ginagamit natin ito sa mga investigatory project, nag-i-experiment ka, mag-create ka. So, that is referring to what will be. Okay? So, doon tayo nagtatapos. Hopefully, natuto kayo sa lesson na to. And huwag niyong kakalimutan, please subscribe on my channel and then click the bell button for you to be updated on my new uploaded video. And then, thank you so much doon sa mga nag-subscribe. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. Love you all. Goodbye.